In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a community in Reddit. Whether you joined a subreddit by accident, your interests have changed, or you simply want to clean up your home feed, knowing how to leave a community is a simple but very useful skill. Let's walk through the process step by step, and I'll explain what each step actually does so you understand what's happening, not just where to click. First, open the community you want to leave. This means you should already be logged into your Reddit account, either on the mobile app or in your web browser. From your home feed or from your subscriptions list, tap or click on the subreddit's name. This will take you to that community's main page where you see posts, the banner, and the community description. Once you're on that community page, look for the three dots icon. This is usually located near the top of the screen. On mobile, it's often in the upper right corner of the app interface. On desktop, it may appear near the join or join button or as a small menu icon. These three dots represent a More Options menu, which contains additional actions related to that community. Go ahead and click or tap on those three dots. When you do this, a small menu will pop up, showing several options you can choose from. Among those options, you should see one labeled Leave or Leave Community. This is the option that allows you to unsubscribe from that subreddit. Now, click on Leave. In some cases, Reddit may ask you to confirm that you really want to leave, especially if it's a community you've been active in. If a confirmation prompt appears, simply confirm your choice. Once you do, you'll no longer be a member of that community. This means its posts will stop appearing in your home feed, and it will be removed from your list of joined communities. If you ever change your mind, you can always return to that subreddit's page and press the join button again to resubscribe. But for now, you've successfully left the community. That's all there is to it. Open the community, click the three dots, and then click Leave. Follow these steps for any subreddit you no longer want to be part of, and you'll keep your Reddit experience focused on the topics that matter most to you.